This is the best fried rice I've ever made, and I'm going to show you the secret that changed everything. Hello, welcome to Fragrance Family Kitchen. On this channel, I share my cooking secrets, my homemade recipes, and delicious family meals. Let's get started. These are the vegetables I use for my fried rice. The way I combine them make a big difference. I'm starting off by measuring 4 cups of rice. I wash the rice thoroughly. Make sure you wash your rice with hot water first, then rinse it with cool water. This will help remove excess starch. Add a small amount of oil to a pot, then add your onions and let them saute. Go ahead and add your rice, then add a small amount of bell pepper to enhance the flavor and give the rice a beautiful color. I went ahead and fried my rice thoroughly. Then I add a small amount of Maggi seasoning and salt for extra flavor. If you are using chicken stock, this is the perfect time to add it. I'm not using chicken stock for this recipe, but you can definitely add yours here. Go ahead and add your curry powder, then continue frying the rice to bring out the flavor. This is optional. I also added bay leaves and chicken seasoning for extra flavor and aroma. Then I continue frying the rice. Just stay with me till the end to see the amazing final result of this delicious fried rice. Since I did not use any chicken stock, I went ahead and I added lukewarm water to my fried rice, covered the rice and cooked the rice for about 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, my rice was halfway cooked, so I went ahead and stirred it to loosen it up, then added a small amount of water and let it cook for an extra 10 minutes. I had to change my pot to non-sticky one. The rice is ready. Look at how fluffy it is. Now let's get into the vegetables. Here we have our carrot, green beans, bell peppers, onion. I also have some shrimps, meat, carrot and green peas. We are going to fry these shrimps together with the meat, then combine everything to create a delicious fried rice. Let's go ahead and season our shrimp and beef. I added some black pepper, chicken seasoning, beef seasoning, Maggi, masala, and a little bit of extra salt for flavor. Then I mix everything thoroughly to make sure all the seasoning was all combined before frying. In a hot pan, add a small amount of vegetable oil, then add your seasoned shrimps and beef. If you prefer to fry them separately, that's completely fine. Fry everything until golden brown. If you are still enjoying this video so far, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for your support. The meat and shrimp are ready, so I went ahead and removed them from the oil and transfer everything into a separate pan. I'm going to fry extra shrimp later, so stay till the end to see what I will use it for. Now let's fry the rice. This is the part where everything comes together. In the pan you use to fry your shrimp and meat, add a little vegetable oil, then saute your onion until golden brown. Go ahead and add your green beans first since they take the longest to cook. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then go ahead and add your carrot and bell peppers. Add carrots, bell peppers and peas, then continues to stir for about 2 to 3 minutes again. If you are still here, I know you are enjoying the video. Let me know in the comment section where you are watching the video from. I went ahead and added some basil and chopped cilantro for extra flavor and freshness. At this point, I added some chicken seasoning and fried rice seasoning. This fried rice seasoning is just a mixture of spices as you can see in the video. Guys, stay with me. Everything is coming together beautifully and you're going to see the amazing result. Don't worry about the spices. I will list everything in the description below, so make sure you check it out. Next, add the beef and the shrimp you fried earlier into the vegetables. Then combine everything together to bring out all the delicious flavors. Now it's time to add our rice. Go ahead and scoop the rice you cooked earlier, then add it into the vegetable mixture. Gradually add the rice while stirring and frying everything until it combines. Tell me in the comment section what you think about this recipe and if you're going to be trying it. I would really love to hear your thoughts and perspective on this recipe. So this is the final result and trust me, it tastes absolutely amazing. For the shrimp I fried separately earlier, I'm going to use them to garnish the fried rice. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please don't forget to share this recipe and leave your comments below. Keep supporting Foreigner's Family Kitchen and let's grow this channel together. See you next time. Bye.